Hello and welcome back to another video feature of the Immersive Worlds Handbook. I am back in Berlin today at the Bikini Berlin, and I wanted to show you this new, what I think is a pretty innovative mall here in Berlin. And just behind me you can see the famous Berlin Zoo, one of the primate exhibits, and they have this area here set up for people to observe. And if you so we pan around here, you can see the actual stores here. And the reason I wanted to talk to you about Bikini Berlin is for the fact that it has a number of these what you can call them pop-up stores. And so you may know about the pop-up trend in restaurants and bars, where someone will open up a venue for a series of weeks or perhaps months at most, and then the venue closes and perhaps reopens somewhere else. So certainly there's a cultural history with this kind of tendency. And as we move from the wonderful images of the zoo here, you can see an example here of behind me, one of the pop-up concept stores. And I think what's cool about this is that the face of retail changes over time. So basically someone can rent, I'm not sure the prices, but someone can rent one of these spaces and put it in their store. And as I'll show you a few of the images here, the stores are eclectic, everything from puzzle stores to clothing and fashion stores. So I think there's a great deal of innovation in terms of what you can see in these particular stores and the concept behind them. So I'll take you around and show you a few more of these here in this tour today here at the Bikini Berlin. So you can see here in this image, this is the layout of the various floors of the mall. And you can see here from this long shot that the emphasis, there are some stores in the exterior, but these interior stores are the conceptual pop-up ones that I thought were the most interesting. In my mind, I hadn't seen a mall like this anywhere else, and indeed I've seen pop-up concept stores and restaurants and bars, but this one I think defies some of our traditional expectations for the fact that the whole concept is this idea of a series of pop-up stores surrounded by the exterior walls and floors of what would be a traditional mall. And you may want to check out some other video features on Bikini Berlin, because I think there's a lot of design elements here that are also important to signify and to focus on and analyze. You can see here that major retailers like Samsung also are involved in this mall, so you have a range of different retailers, from traditional large corporate ones to these more mom and pop stores that literally could be everything from a candle store to a tea shop. And up here on the second floor you actually see a houseware store that's designed as a pop-up store by a larger retailer. And then back on the ground floor we see additional signs here of how this mall is structured around this unique concept of pop-up retail.